When the world's leading defense powers were locked in a race to build the next generation of fighter aircraft, one name emerged that shook the entire aviation world: Fighter Jat Strom Eagle 2026. It was not just a jet, it was a revolution, a fusion of power, intelligence, and precision unlike anything seen before. The Strom Eagle 2026 represents a new era, one where air dominance is not achieved by brute force alone, but by the perfect harmony of human courage and artificial intelligence. Designed for supremacy, born from innovation, and fueled by the indomitable spirit of the Jat Squadron, this aircraft has redefined what it means to rule the sky. It is a creation that blurs the line between man and machine, a living embodiment of speed, intelligence, and absolute control. The design of the Strom Eagle 2026 is a masterpiece of engineering elegance. Its frame is constructed from a fusion of titanium, graphene, and carbon fiber composites, forming a body that is feather-light yet nearly indestructible. Every inch of its aerodynamic surface is optimized for stealth and agility. Along its wings run shimmering neon blue lines, not merely for aesthetics but part of an electro-stealth shielding system, a groundbreaking technology that disperses radar signals and renders the jet almost invisible. On radar screens, the Strom Eagle appears as a fleeting shadow, here 1 second, gone the next. This ability has earned it the codename, the Ghost Falcon, among defense analysts. Powering this aerial marvel is the Aerox Fusion Turbo Drive, a hybrid propulsion system that merges traditional jet fuel combustion with quantum ion propulsion. This dual-engine setup propels the jet to speeds exceeding Mach 3.6, shattering the limits of current aviation. When it ignites, twin blue plumes explode from its engines, cutting through the stratosphere like lightning. Yet despite this raw power, its flight remains eerily stable, smooth, controlled, almost sentient, as if the jet itself understands the air. Its adaptive wing geometry allows it to shift aerodynamic shape mid-flight, optimizing lift and drag according to combat conditions. It's not just a fighter, it's an evolving machine. At the heart of the Jat Strom Eagle 2026 lies its true soul, the Aquila Combat AI system, a self-learning neural intelligence that revolutionizes modern warfare. Aquila doesn't just assist the pilot, it thinks, reacts, and evolves in real time. It analyzes enemy flight patterns, missile trajectories, and radar frequencies within milliseconds. It even anticipates pilot behavior, adjusting controls before commands are given. The system's neural interface connects directly to the pilot's brain through a neural sync helmet, translating thought into motion. The days of manual control are over. Now, the pilot merely thinks, and the jet responds. Inside the cockpit, the future unfolds. There are no physical dials or switches, only transparent holographic displays, augmented reality visuals, and a 360-degree real-time combat interface. The pilot is enveloped in a floating sphere of data: air pressure, wind speed, terrain mapping, enemy position, radar distortion, everything projected directly into their field of vision. The HUD head-up display provides a live, holographic simulation of the sky, capable of detecting even the chemical composition of jet exhaust from enemy aircraft. It's as if the pilot can see beyond the visible spectrum. Armament-wise, the Strom Eagle 2026 is a predator. It carries Viper X hypersonic missiles, capable of traveling over 10,000 km per hour, striking targets before they can even respond. Beneath its wings rest Sky Lance laser pods, capable of melting armored targets mid-air with a beam of concentrated plasma. And its most terrifying weapon, the Phantom Strike railgun, harnesses electromagnetic energy to launch projectiles at speeds that defy physics, requiring no explosives to destroy its prey. All these systems operate under the guidance of the Aquila AI, which autonomously prioritizes threats and executes strikes faster than any human could react. The pilot's role is not to aim, it is to command. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect is how the Strom Eagle 2026 protects itself. It operates with a Guardian drone system, a swarm of 3 autonomous mini-drones that orbit the jet during flight. They act as its defensive shield, intercepting missiles and jamming enemy communications. These drones are mentally linked to the main AI, sharing a single neural network where every unit communicates as one organism. This collective intelligence makes the Strom Eagle nearly impossible to ambush or surprise. During its first secret test flight at Sky Fortress 1, a classified airbase hidden within a mountain range, the results stunned the defense community. Over 3 days of continuous testing, the Jat Strom Eagle achieved a 99.8% target accuracy, successfully executing high-G maneuvers, stealth infiltration, and simulated dogfights against top-tier AI adversaries. Even advanced radar systems failed to detect it. When Captain Aryan Jat, the lead pilot and symbol of the Jat Squadron, took it airborne for the first time, his words echoed across the command room, "The sky isn't the limit anymore, it's home." That quote became the official motto of the squadron. The world first saw the Strom Eagle 2026 during its demonstration flight at the Global Defense Expo in Dubai. It appeared silently from the horizon at sunset, gliding like a blade of light, then in an instant broke the sound barrier, performing vertical rolls and inverted dives that defied physics. Observers were left speechless. Military analysts from the US, China, and Europe concluded unanimously that the Strom Eagle was not just a fifth-generation fighter, but the dawn of a hybrid sixth-generation combat platform, decades ahead of its time. Its pilot assist features are equally revolutionary. The emotional synchronization module constantly monitors the pilot's heartbeat, brainwaves, and breathing rhythm. If stress levels rise, the AI automatically adjusts the jet's control sensitivity, speed, and cabin pressure, effectively calming the pilot. It's not merely a machine, it's a partner that feels. Every flight becomes a symphony of trust between man and technology. The Strom Eagle's nanotech self-heal armor gives it near immortality in battle. Embedded nanobots repair surface damage within seconds, sealing bullet holes and restoring aerodynamic integrity mid-flight. Combined with its energy deflection coating, the aircraft can survive direct missile hits that would obliterate any other jet. Engineers often call it a living organism of metal. The story of its creation is as inspiring as the aircraft itself. Developed in collaboration with elite aerospace engineers, AI scientists, and test pilots, the Strom Eagle program began as a dream to give air warriors